Liên Á Interior Co. Ltd, your trusted partner in furniture manufacturing and export. Overview founded over a decade ago, Liên Á Interior Co. Ltd has earned its reputation as a leading furniture manufacturer specializing in design, construction, manufacturing, and installation. Based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, we provide a one-stop solution for all your furniture needs. Our track record extends beyond domestic borders, making us a dependable partner for international projects. Why choose us? Quality commitment. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility adheres to global quality standards. We combine artisanal craftsmanship with modern technology to deliver products that exceed expectations. Versatility from natural wood to engineered wood and plastics. We offer an extensive range of furniture options. Whether it's for residential, commercial, or industrial use, we've got you covered. Reliability. With years of experience in the international market, we understand the nuances of different cultures and their specific demands. We are committed to timeliness and work closely with you to meet your deadlines. Customization your wish is our command. Whether you have a design in mind or require customization based on dimensions or blueprints, we ensure 100% accuracy in our deliverables. Contact information phone +8 48 78 78 785 to Zolo, +8 48 78 78 785 WhatsApp +8 931 million for 140 for 1,879 email. @linagmail.com. Liên Á Interior Co. Ltd is more than just a furniture manufacturer. We are a trusted partner committed to bringing your interior visions to life. With a focus on exporting high-quality furniture, we invite you to build a long-term partnership with us. Trust us with your orders, and we promise to deliver excellence.